Hey kiddos, I am so excited to be back here in math with you. You have come so far this year, and I know that me, Miss Barton, and Miss Loudon are so proud of you for all that you have accomplished, and I am so blessed to see what you've done. Well, now that we've just finished talking about measurement and different types of measurement, we're going to get you ready for first grade. This new section is called Step Up to First Grade. It's to make sure your brains are ready for those tough first grade challenges. But I already know how smart you are, so I think you'll be A-okay. Now, before we begin with our first lesson, it's just going to be a review. It's going to be very simple, just reviewing things that we've done the whole year, making sure you have them down solid. Well, before we dive in, I need you to go grab the Pearson pages that I'll show you and a pencil. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, here's the page that I need you to grab. We're going to do this page together. It says 26 at the bottom, or it has the guided practice at the top. We're talking about sets, and we're talking about part, whole. So it's very, very similar to addition. But before I keep going, if you need to go grab this paper, please hit pause and then you can hit play when you're ready. If you're ready with your pencil and paper, here we go. So we're going to look at this top part right here. This top part says Cami has a set of 8 balloons in all. Part of the balloons are blue and part of the balloons are green. And she says right here, 4 are blue and 4 are green. The whole set is 8 in all. So part is 4, and together they make 8, just like addition. So we do part, whole with addition. We're doing that exact same thing down here. So we're going to hop down to number 1, and they already did it for us. Let me get my pen ready to go. Here we go. Write the numbers to show parts of 8. So we're making 8 every single time because that's going to be our whole, but we're splitting it into different parts. So number 1, we have 7 blue balloons. So they put 7 in this box. 7 blue. How many green balloons do we have? 1. So we know that 7 and 1 equals 8. So is that correct? Yep, we did our math right. All right, if you need those directions repeated, you can always rewind the video. If you are still writing or tracing, please hit the pause button and hit play when you're ready. If you're ready to rock and roll, let's put our pointer on number 2. Number 2, I want you to count how many blue balloons there are. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 blue balloons. So we're going to put the 4 in this blank right here. That froze for a minute. There we go. May not be the prettiest 4, but it's something. There we go, 4. How many green balloons do we have? Now remember, we have to make 8 in all. So let's see how many green balloons she has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let's put 4 in our green box. Excellent. Does 4 blue balloons and 4 green balloons equal 8? Did I just hear someone say that's a double? You would be so right. These are doubles. Excellent observation. So 4 and 4 does equal 8. My pointer's on number 3. Number 3. I want you to count how many blue balloons there are. Ready? Go. Okay, I'm going to count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 blue balloons. Is that the number you got? Excellent. I knew y'all were smart cookies. So we have 5 blue balloons. How many green balloons do we have? 1, 2, 3. 3. Does 5 and 3, does that equal 8? I think so. I think it does. Excellent. So we know that 7 and 1, 4 and 4, 5 and 3 all equal 8. Let's try the last one. Let's count these balloons together. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 blue balloons. Let's put 6 right here. Excellent. So we have 6 blue balloons. How many more balloons do we need to get 8? Well, let's count our green. 1, 2, 2 to 6, and 2 equal 8. Let's try 6, 7, 8. Yes! 6 and 2 equals 8. Excellent job, friends. You did so well in helping me count these balloons and finding parts of 8. Now, I have a trick one to show you. If you're going to do this one on your own, I'm not going to be there to help you, but I want you to think really hard and really deeply. Over here, it says, do you understand? I'm going to underline it. Is 4 and 5 another way to show 8? Challenge question. If you'd like to do it right now, absolutely hit this pause button before I move on. If you want to come back to it, you can always rewind the video to hear it again. All right, kiddos. So we just did page 26. Look at page 27. This is your next page, and this is what you're going to do on your own. I want you to circle numbers 5, number 7, and number 9. I'm going to cut you a break today, and you're only going to do numbers 5, 7, and 9. You're doing the exact same thing we just did, except we're not looking for parts of 8. We're looking for parts of 9. So you are going to count the balloons, put the correct numbers under each color balloon, and make sure that they equal 9. All right, if you need those directions repeated, please feel free to hit the rewind button. And if you want to do it now, you can hit the pause button. All right, and let's look at number 11 together, if you're all set to move to number 11. Number 11 says, extend your thinking and solve the problem. It says, there are 9 hats in all. 3 are red. The rest are yellow. How many hats are yellow? Well, let's think about this. We know that we have 9 hats in all. So we know that whatever we have equals 9. Equals 9. Okay, and we know that we have 3 red. 3. So we need how many more to equal 9? Well, there's a few different ways we can do this. We can take 3 away from 9. So we can do 9, take away 3. Or you can count on. You can go 3, then you count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many fingers did you use? Or how many counting blocks did you use? And how many did you find? Think about that and solve how many yellow hats there are. I know your smart math brains can absolutely do that. All right, kiddos. Well, you've been working super, super hard. So this is where we're going to stop for today. But you have done so well with our review. And I know you're ready for first grade. If you need any of the directions repeated, please feel free to rewind the video. If you want to keep working, you can absolutely do 6, 8, and 10. All right, but until next time, have a wonderful, fabulous mathematical day. Bye, kiddos.